Hi, let us introduce Juremy, our online concordance search tool in all 24 EU languages. You can search legal and technical terminology in official EU documents.
To search, first choose a language pair using the top menus, and then type or paste a term or phrase into the search bar. The results appear instantly. We can change the target language, and the search text persists. Let's try a few languages.
Juremy displays metadata, useful for referencing the source document and to put the usage of the phrase in context. Select number identifies the document on EUR-Lex. Clicking on it brings you to the EUR-Lex bilingual view of the full document. Clicking the icon copies the EUR-Lex link for easy pasting.
You can customize the display using the side panel on the right. You can change the display language of the title, or you can switch off the title to save screen state and support easier scanning. Juremy also exposes experimental features like the eye guide. The eye guide tries to highlight the likely match in the target text. You can also turn off the side panels.
Juremy groups results into multiple categories. Let's have a look at these. Exact phrase category matches the phrase as is.
Relax position matches show results where words are farther apart or in a slightly different order.
Auto-completed results extend the last word of the phrase with possible ending. Temp phrase category keeps the exact word positions, but requires only the stems of the words to match. These categories help you to get more search results and get a better overview in various contexts.
Unaccented search is like exact, but ignores accents. It is useful if you don't have access to a native keyboard layout with special characters. It only triggers if there aren't any exact, relaxed, or auto-completed matches. Recently, we added new functionalities to Juremy to make terminology research even more convenient. This can be selected in the side panel on the right.
To provide additional context, we introduced a new feature, integrated IATE search. IATE, the Interactive Terminology for Europe, is the EU's terminology database used for the collection and management of EU-specific terminology. Juremy displays at most 3 IATE matches on the top of the results list. The IATE ID links to the detailed term entry on the IATE website. You will also see the evaluation metadata next to the target language hit. Stars indicate the reliability code of IATE. The color tags reflect IATE's evaluation of the term.
If selected in the right side panel, term extraction will display exactly matching bilingual IATE terms within the query phrase, either multi-word or single word, if they exist. Term extraction is ideal for longer query texts which include multiple IATE terms.